We learn best when we try some questions, yeah? So we've spoken about the circumference of circles and the formula. We've spoken about pi, about radius, diameter, and everything. Now the question is, what is the circumference of this circle? Yeah, and the circumference is the perimeter. But if we talk about perimeters and circles, we say circumference. Okay. Now you should know that the circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, that is a really important formula for you to remember. Yeah, and I've shown you in the previous video what that all means, because the circumference C equals 2 times pi times the radius, and pi is a number. Now again, I show you in a different video what that number is roughly and where it comes from, and it's nothing to be scared of. Yeah, 2 times pi times the radius. All I have to do is to find the radius. The radius is the only unknown, the only variable, if you like, in this formula. Yeah, of course the circumference can vary as well, but the radius, that's what you want to find out. Now what is the radius? The radius is that line, the length of that line from the center to the circumference of the circle. 4 centimeters in this case, so times 4. So what does the circumference equal to? I can just grab my calculator now. It is 2 times pi. Yeah, you make sure you know where your pi button is. For me it's shift and then the standard form button, times the radius, which is 4, equals. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, and it tells me it is 25.13274123. And all answers which are not accurate, we have to round to 3 significant figures. Unless an angle, it's an angle, because an angle you have to round to 1 decimal place. But this is not an angle, it is the circumference of a circle, so 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3. The 1 stays a 1 or goes up to a 2. Those are your 2 options, that depends on the next number, and the 1 indeed stays a 1. 25.1. The unit is a centimeter. Okay, so circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. Yeah, that's a formula you need to know. All you have to do is to find the radius. It's given to you 4, so 2 times pi times 4. Then you grab your calculator, write it down. It doesn't take very long. Show your workings, and your final answer, corrected to 3 significant figures. Don't forget that, 25.1 centimeters. Okay, go to the next video. I'm going to show you something new.